In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clock widget in Notion. If you've ever wished your Notion dashboard could show the current time at a glance, maybe for your own time zone or a teammate's, you are in the right place. We'll walk through choosing a widget provider, customizing your clock so it looks and behaves exactly how you want, embedding it into Notion, and finally adjusting its size and placement so it fits your layout perfectly. First, select a widget provider. Popular options include Indify and Widgetbox. These sites specialize in embeddable widgets that play nicely with Notion. Open one of them in your browser and look for the clock widget option. You'll typically see a preview and controls to tweak the appearance. Some providers may ask you to sign in to save your widget settings. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that appears. Next, customize the clock. Decide whether you prefer an analog clock for a classic look or a digital clock for a clean, minimal readout. Pick colors that match your Notion theme or brand. And consider contrast for readability. Choose your time zone carefully. This is especially helpful if you monitor a different region's time and set your preferred format to 12-hour or 24-hour. Many providers also let you adjust font style, size, and background transparency. Take a moment to preview the results so you know it'll look great inside Notion. When you are happy with the design, copy the unique embed URL the site provides. This is important. You want the special embed link or URL generated by the widget, not just the page's address in your browser. The embed URL is what allows Notion to render the live clock. Now embed it in Notion. Open the Notion page where you want the clock to appear. Click into the page and type / then the word embed and press enter. A small box will appear. Paste the URL you copied from the widget provider into that box. Then select embed link. After a moment, your live clock will load right on the page. Finally, resize and position the widget. Hover over the edges of the clock to reveal the resize handles. Then click and drag to make it larger or smaller until it fits your layout. To move it around, use the handle on the left of the block to drag it above or below other blocks, or into a column if you are using a multi-column layout. Adjust until it's easy to see and complements your page. And that's it, a clean live clock in your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching.